join me today in this fantastic Fox Body Mustang. This is a repeat client of ours. We've sold a few cars of his in the past. This one we've known about, we've always liked it. It's a 79 notchback, so first year Fox Body. And the idea of the build was, you know, what if they did a notchback pace car edition? So you see it's got the pace car front end on it. And then obviously instead of making do with 140 horsepower, how about 350 to the rear wheels perhaps? Something like that. So it's got the 5.0, the 302, the Crower cam in it. It's a Holley EFI with full engine management going on here, you can see that. Dual exhaust with Flowmaster tips. Z-Spec Tremec T5 in it. It's got the front discs with the adjustable proportioning valve and the adjustable brake pedal itself. Brake pedal feel is good. It sounds good. Coilovers in the front, the stiffer sway bar. Weight jackers in the back with, I believe, a standard sway bar. Full list of modifications will be in the listing. It's a sweet looking car. The build was started about 5 years ago. Mechanicals first. Culminated about 3 years ago with the full respray. This is a BMW color. I think it's Moonlight Silver. It's sort of a slightly beigey, pewtery silver. It looks really nice. It's on the 17-inch Pony R wheels with the square setup 255/40 ZR17 Sumitomo summer tires on it. For the amount of power, it's a little bit light on rear end grip. There's a resistance point in the throttle not far off of idle that if you get over that resistance point a little abruptly, you will have some unintended oversteer moments, which I'm going to do my best to not do on the public road today. But yeah, it's an entertaining car to drive. Will break the rears free in third. I wouldn't be surprised if it also does it in fourth, but I'm not going to be attempting that. So yeah, if you're leaving your cars and coffee and the camera phones are out, pay attention. You don't want to wind up on the internet in a bad way. Really entertaining car. Sounds fantastic. new as well. Looks fantastic with the vinyl and the cloth inserts. Period correct. New carpet set as well. The dash is in great condition. It's got the 140 mile an hour speedo. And the Grant wheel looks really nice on this car. It's a nice car to drive overall. The main thing you have to pay attention to is that throttle resistance, because it will make an amateur out of you. But all in all, it's a relatively friendly device, as long as you're paying attention. And I didn't have a chance to demonstrate it yet, but it's a relatively tall fifth gear as well, so it's not all angry all the time. If you can cruise at highway speeds, and it's around the 2,000 RPM mark, so it's not screaming. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. We'll have a couple hundred photos of the car, including the undercarriage. And if you're in the market for a really nicely done, well-presenting, unique Fox body, this is worth considering. Thanks for watching.